Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 7 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first let's open notification panel shortcut, and here you should find screen record icon. In my case it's here. Just to launch the settings you should just tap once on the screen recording icon here and we'll see here record audio. So we can turn on this switcher to use the device audio. So this means that all of the sounds from our device like music, calls and ringtones just you'll record in your recording. If you want to use the microphone to comment something, just you should switch it here to microphone, or also you can use device audio and microphone together. But if you want to record only mute video, you should just turn off the switcher. And that's it. After that, just you should click here to start the recording. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.